Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally I get a chance to vlog now, and for this vlog I will do a unboxing. So here will be my unboxing. This is from Yesstyle. So I received an email from them. I think I've read it like last week, Wednesday morning, that they sent to me a free stuff from Yesstyle. And then actually I was just joining to get this one, and I didn't expect that I'll get it. And yeah, so I will share it to you guys what is inside of their August box of Chic. So because it's already back to school soon, especially here in England as well, so I will definitely recommend Yesstyle if you guys really want to get like cute stuff from them. But and because I already know what they sent to me, that is really for a back to school, I'm really glad to share it to you guys and show to you what they gave it to me. So with this tote bag, I'll just show on the screen how much is it. So this is what they gave to me together, and everything is inside of this tote bag, and it's really cute. I like it. It's really cool and very handy actually. And if you were in a college student, this is really cool bag. So let's open it. So the first item I got the first item that I'll show to you guys that I got here is we have this a pencil case. This is a pencil case. This is, yeah, printed pencil case. They gave a printed pencil case. So let's open how it looks like. I'll just put on the screen, guys, on how much is this. Okay. You know what? Let's just open it. I'm gonna open. Oh, here. Found it. Alright, so it's so cute. I like the print, and when you open it, oh, this is so cute. Yeah, it's just like a normal pencil case, but this is really cute. And because I love pink, and yeah, this is really cute. I guess most of your, if you have like a Kikai child, like they really love pink, and especially the print. It's really cool. I like it. And then the next item will be they gave me a hat. So it's cool though, because it's summer here. As of now, it's summer here in UK, so I can use this, and it's color red. Oh, I like it. So cool. Look at this. It looks cool. Oh, and it's easy to adjust. Okay, so we got this one is twill baseball cap. The color is wine red, so only just one size, but it's cool, guys. Oh my god. Oh, this is so cool, and it's really easy to adjust. Should I just vlog with this? It's cool. I look like a high school student flip. Isn't that cool, Monji? It's cute, isn't it? And then what else they gave me here? Oh my god. We got here a pearl hair clips, guys. This one, the pearl hair clips, it's starting to get really popular now. Oh my god, it's starting to get popular now because I saw a lot of this in H&M. But yeah, this is so cool. And I saw as well a lot in Yesstyle. They have a lot of cute stuff, and it's not just like this that they were selling. They sell a lot of stuff in their website. I'll just put in the description down below, guys, and I have my discount code. You can use it to get 10% off. So don't forget to use my code so you can get the 10%. I'll put it in the description down below. And most of the time, you guys could see on my vlog that I've always, not always, but I really love shopping in Yesstyle because they offer a lot of things. They have, if you love Korean fashion, if you love Japanese fashion, you love Korean Korean skincare, Korean makeup, they have a lot of things to offer there. So it's not just really this accessory that they were offering. So this is so cute, hair clips. Oh my god, this is really cute hair clips. I can use this. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god, wish I can use one now, because I'm putting, so it's cool because it's a silver one and I can just put it and clip it in my head now. Wow, this is so cool. Oh my god, I like it. This is really cool hair clip. I like it, I like it. I'll definitely gonna use this. So let's have a look for more. Okay, so what we got here, we got a sticker set, very different design. So let's open it so I can show it to you guys. You know what, if you love stationery and stuff, you'll definitely gonna enjoy shopping in Yesstyle. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this sticker. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god, this is so cool. Wow, I like it. Oh my god, this is really cool. Oh my gosh. So yes, so this is a sticker set with various design, but yeah, that's it. This is really cool. If you guys really like very creative, well, definitely I recommend Yesstyle, because especially they have a lot of stuff to offer to you guys. And what else we got here? We got here a mini schedule notepad. So this is cute. You can use it especially if you have a lot of on your schedule. When you got your regist card, you can just put on this notepad. This is cool because it has a weekly planting. So if you can see, guys, I don't know. Yeah, it's cool. I like it. And next one is, we got here a, oh, they gave me this cute little pod pouch. Oh, I love pouch. I really love pouch, especially because when I'm going outside, I'd rather just bring my card or a small pouch, and I don't really put so much makeup on, but I just definitely just bring my card and my phone. So this pouch is really cool. I like it, so definitely I can use this one as well. I like that, I like that. Next one that they gave me is, what is this? Oh, we got this plain color masking tape. This is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute, masking. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. Seriously. Oh, I love seeing cute stuff. Oh my god, that is so cool. And we got, what's this? Why I keep saying what's this? Seriously. And we have sticky notes. Oh, I love sticky notes, especially now that I'll be just like in home. So I love, like, I have a lot of notebooks, which is, I don't know why, I just really like writing and stuff and putting a sticky notes on it, like, because I always forget a lot of things. So definitely will definitely love this one with different color. I like it. It's there. So cute. Oh, they are so cute. Okay, the next one here is, I have a animal metal bookmark. Oh my god, I love reading books. I have a lot of books as well, so I'll definitely use this one. So cute, guys. This is how it looks like. This is so cute. And I love my hairpin. Oh my god. This is really cute, seriously. And let's just take off the big item inside. So they gave me this, what you call this, Okay, there's no thingy there. So we got here our color pen with 12 set. And it's like a marker. This one is a marker. This is so cool. Okay, let's open it. Let's open the color pen first. Oh my god, I love pens as well. Just like everybody else. Even my handwriting is not that really nice. Not that really good. But I love handwriting. I keep on saying that, you know, it depends on the pen that I'm using, so my handwriting will be definitely look so good. So that's the only thing that I'll try to say to everyone, like, okay, my handwriting is not that really good, but I love pens. I love pens. I love different color pens. Okay, it's really quite hard to open. Oh look, this is so cool. Oh, this is so cool, guys. Oh my god, should I try to put it on my wrist? I don't know why. Oh, so cool. This is so cute. Oh my god. This is so cute. Seriously. This is so cute. Oh my god. Oh gosh. And then let's open the other one. Alright. So, oh, this is cool because they have like one into another, both sides. They have both sides. Yeah, this is a marker, which is when, especially when you do a when you're reading when you are doing review and stuff. This is very helpful, guys. So I would definitely recommend it to get a marker, because when I was in college, I've always wanted to use marker, especially those important things that you need to remember when you are memorizing and when you have your exam. This is so cool, and I like this has a 12 color as well, and it's not just on this side, it's both sides. They have a mark. This is so cool. Oh, that is so cool. And the next, okay, the last one that they gave me is, we got here a July perfume hand cream from Innisfree. Oh, I love Innisfree. Oh, let's open it and smell it. You look, guys, it's sealed. So let's open and smell it. Oh, I love my hairpin, guys. Gosh. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, this smells so good. So if you guys asking what's the smell of it, is number 6 June Peach. Is really cool. It's cool, it's cool. Oh my god, this is awesome. Oh, I love hand cream as well, and this one smells so nice. I'll definitely use it. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is what they gave to me for this August box of Chic. Sorry about on how I'm pronouncing it, but yeah, this is what they gave me, and I'm so happy about it. It's like all of this is really like worth it to buy, and if you love cute stuff, I definitely recommend Yesstyle. And I've been their customer for so long, and I'd love doing shopping there because you will see a lot of stuff. You have a lot of choices, and whatever you're looking for is there. So I'll put, guys, in the description down below their website where you can shop, and don't forget my discount code so you can get a 10% off. So I will end this vlog now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, because definitely me, I really enjoy it, especially seeing this cute stuff make my day so lighten up, and because the weather here in UK keep on changing. But anyway, guys, I will end this now. I hope to see you guys on my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and like this